Hello beautiful unicorns and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this look right here. I am actually using the Pastel Goth. I got this palette by Elle S and I will link her down below. I did a collaboration with her a while ago and she's amazing. I adore that girl and she lives in Canada, and this palette actually came back in stock in Canada, and not only did it come back in stock, it came back discounted, like it was on sale. And I don't really know why, but she actually, I sent her a message saying like, oh my god, I'm so jealous, you in Canada, you got the Pastel Goth back. And she was like, thank you for letting me know, because she wanted to get it. And then she sent me a message saying that she got two, one for her, one for me. And I was over the moon. That was like, nobody ever has to give me or get me anything. But I mean, when you do, it really makes me like, it touches my heart because like getting something for someone as a gift, that is something special, that actually like means something to me. So thank you so much, Elle. And I was very excited, so I actually got her a gift as well. And if you want to see what that is, you can check out her social medias. Like, I don't know where she's gonna put it or even if she's gonna put it anywhere, but I did send her a gift, so keep your eyes open on her channel and her Instagram or wherever she decides to post it, if she does. But yeah, I'm very excited to do this look. And actually I was very inspired by a look that Jackie Aina did a while ago, and I will also link that down below. Well, let me see if I can pull the picture up, because I did save the picture, because I was like, when I got this palette, I was like, yes, I need to recreate this look. It is this look right here. Like, it is basically, she did a yellow, like a yellow crease and then yellow glitter, and she had black lips and I did green instead. But I was very inspired by this and I wanted to recreate it because I think that Jackie is not afraid to go in with color, and she's actually one of the bigger beauty gurus that I really enjoy, because a lot of them I don't anymore, but a lot of them I do. Like, I like Tati and I like Jackie Aina. There's a bunch of the bigger ones that I really like, but I really like that she goes in with color, and the way that she does tutorials is that she doesn't make it too complicated for no reason. Like, she goes in, like this tutorial, I think she used one eyeshadow and then glitter, and I only used one eyeshadow as well and a bit of white, and I like that she makes it fun but not overly complicated, because you want to be able to recreate it. And I was very inspired by this look, so I thought that the perfect time to recreate it was now. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to her, I have no idea why you wouldn't be, because she's really big, and I will leave her, like I said, the channel and the video down below. I mean, I don't agree with every video she's ever made, but I don't think that I even agree with every video that I ever made, but I think that she's one of the bigger ones that she's still trustworthy, and a lot of people would probably agree with this. So I'm very happy to recreate her look. I'm sorry for babbling for such a long time. Don't forget to check out Elle as well. I think she's amazing, but let's get into the look. Okay, I'm actually just gonna show you my eye look and some highlighter today, and the lips of course, because I've done the rest of it. And if you're like, wow, you're really tan, yeah, I got some self-tanner done because I went to an event and I didn't want to look like a ghost. And the self-tanner is not fading that gracefully on my hands. It looks absolutely ridiculous, but I got this one. Elle from Elle S, I will link her down below, was kind enough to send me this one. This one came back in stock in Canada. So we're gonna play with this one today, and I'm super excited. Like, look at this color. This color, these colors, they're so cool. And like I probably said in the beginning, I am gonna try and recreate, make the look my own, one of Jackie Aina's looks. And she used a star, so I'm gonna use that as well. I just use concealers on my lid. I never use a primer, so I am just gonna go in with this one, put it all over my crease and my outer corners, and then I'm gonna go in with the glitter, just like she did, because I really like that look on her. I'm gonna try and do it myself. You get a lot on the brush at least. Ooh, that is nice. Since these are pastels, I am basically just stamping them on to begin with, and then I'm working them into the skin, and I'm probably gonna have to go in with several layers, because that's just how pastels are. But so far, that's actually working into the skin quite easily, because you don't want to have it just laying there, because you know it's gonna dust away then. You need to be able to work it a bit into the skin. Not bad. Let's get this all over. As you can see, after I just stamped it on, I will blend the edges and make them more faded, but I won't blend too much at where I actually put the color. I'm trying to see if I'm somewhat in focus, because I don't want to blend away the pastels. That is a good tip when you're working with colors that you want to be really opaque. Don't blend over exactly where they are, because you will lose some of the pigment and the opaqueness. I don't mind if it's coming a bit on the lid as well, because I will cover that up with a like a yellow glitter. So right now I'm just going in generously with this one. What I liked about the look that Jackie had is that it looked like it was fairly simple. Like she didn't, and that's something that I like. Even though I like advanced looks and even though I like colorful looks, sometimes it doesn't have to be so advanced. You can just go in with like 1 or 2 colors and still make an impact. And that's what really mostly drew me in with that look, is that she only used like, I think she used like 3 eyeshadows, like 2 different glitters and 1 eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use 1 glitter, but I like that. It's really, really nice. I am liking this. I'm trying to see in the viewfinder. I hope you can see how it looks. Don't know how it really looks on screen now, but in real life, this is looking really nice and blended. And I don't really have any fallout, which is really cool. I'm gonna use a bit of Skull as well, just to highlight my brow bone just a little bit, to make it a bit more contrasted from the yellow. I normally don't highlight my brow bone, but you know, once in a full moon. So now I'm actually going to go in with the glitter, and I'm going to use the new, what are these called? Liquid Fairy Lights. This is by Pixi by Petra, and this is in SunRay. I have used this twice, and I've had them on for a really long time, and they actually, I mean, I didn't have any fallout during either the day or the night, and they stuck on there for a really long time, and I was really impressed, and they look very nice on the eyes. And I don't know if I've seen anyone use these. And I don't really know why they aren't, because this is beautiful. I only have this color, which is SunRay, which is basically a pale yellow, like a pale yellow shimmery one with like silver sparkles in it, which makes it quite cool because it's like a yellow silver. It's very cool. Let me show you. I am just gonna paint the other eye as well, and I'm trying not to blink while it's getting dry, and then I'll show you how it looks. Feeling a bit awkward. But this is what it looks like when I put the glitter on both eyes. I tried to take it up really far. I know she didn't, and my glitter isn't as yellow as hers, but I'm really liking this look, and I wanted it to be a bit glittery and festive, and it's so simple. It's just 1 eyeshadow and then the glitter. Oh well, I did put some white on my brow bone, but you don't even have to do that. I really like this. I'm gonna put on some liner, and then I'll come back and, you know what, I'll put on some liner and I'll put on some mascara, and I'll come back and I'll show you how this look is with mascara before lashes, so you can see what it would look like if you decided to opt out of lashes. So that's how it's looking right now. I want to do something with my lower lash line before I do some lashes, so you can see how this look would be if I skipped lashes, which I personally don't like doing, but I know others do. I'm gonna use the Aqua XL liner from Makeup Forever in M40. I don't know their names. I'm gonna use this in my waterlines, and I'm also gonna use it under my eyes so that I can smudge the yellow on top of it and get it to be even more yellow under my eyes. I think that's gonna be nice. Let's have a little white in the inner corners as well. I do love a matte white inner corner. I think that is so nice. This is a really nice white. So yeah, that is the finished look without lashes. I'm gonna put on some falsies now. I'm gonna use the House of Lashes Iconic Lights because I like that, and because we're actually going out tonight and I want to have lashes because I like that. So I'm gonna put those on, and I'll be right back and we can do highlighter and lips. Okay, so this is the look with lashes, and I really like this. I think this is a fun look, and I love yellow. I'm gonna put on some highlighter as well, and very fittingly I have the Mellow Crush highlighter palette by Kat Von D. Got this from my mom as a birthday present. Thank you so much. Well, my mom and my family. And this has 3 colors and I've only used the peach one so far. I used this for the event I went to, and it's also one that's like a silvery gold. It's hard to explain, but it's like a cool toned yellow, which is the one I'm going to use, and this is a very beautiful pinky one. These are very glittery. If you do not like glittery highlighters, you won't like these. I love a glittery highlight. Hence why I asked for this palette, because she asked me like, what would you want? Because she likes having very specific, like, what do you want? Tell me what you want, link what you want. If possible, buy what you want and I'll give you the money. That's my mom buying gifts. So I asked for this one and she actually ordered it off Sephora Scandinavia because we got it a lot later. But I love a glittery highlight and I love how this looks. So I'm just gonna pop it on the top of my cheekbones. And it's looking wet. Like you can't see it here. At least I can't. And it's just a very cool highlight to me. And I understand that some people don't like a glittery highlight, but I think the glittery highlight is what makes a highlight look like it's super wet. And I am really into this one. I think it's a perfect like party highlight. I mean, this isn't like the one I would use, oh, maybe not on top of my like Cupid's bow. That was not nice. This is not the one I would use to work, but to a birthday party, which is what I'm going to today, definitely. So yeah, that's it. I'm really liking it, but if you do not like glittery highlighters, you're not gonna like that one, but I actually think it's really nice. And now for the lips. I know that Jackie had black lips in the picture that I saw, but I don't want to have black lips. I think I'm gonna try a lippy, and then if I end up wearing something else to the birthday party, I can take it off, but I want to try this one. I want to try Juniper by Makeup Monsters. Makeup Monsters. I have tried this formula a bit. I've tried 3 of the 5 lippies I bought, and it is a liquidy formula that dries down, totally transfer proof. It feels very much like the Lime Crime Velveteens or the liquid lipsticks by Jeffree Star. So if you're looking for an alternative to that kind of formula, these are definitely it. They are a bit drying. They are definitely a bit drying. So if you're more into the moussey kind of formula, the one that they feel more like the satin lips by Colourpop, I would go, well, with the satins for Colourpop or even the Ofra ones. Those are my absolute favorites. But I don't dislike them, but if I have very dry lips, these aren't for me. But I haven't worn this green yet, and it's time. Wow, that is a very overdrawn lip, but you know what? I'll live with that. So let me zoom you out a little bit. See, it's already dark outside. It's so weird. But yeah, that is the finished look. That is me using the Pastel Goth palette by Kat Von D in a look that I like recreated one of the looks from Jackie Aina. I will of course link her and her video down below where she did this look so you can have a peek. I didn't do exactly what she did, but I was very heavily inspired by that video, and I've been dying to recreate that look for a really long time, and now that I got the palette, I thought, perfect opportunity. And yeah, I think that was it for today. If you want to be subscribed to my channel and you are not, the button is down below. I'd love to see you subscribed. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!